If you want to get unstuck, you have to think outside the box. Hey, Dory here, mentor, motivator, and musician on a mission. What I've found is that by doing creative activities, your stress levels go down. Your brain and your mindset shift to a more positive state. I've seen clients come up with new ideas for their businesses, receive messages from the Holy Spirit, and even discover what's really holding them back. You see, I introduce creative activities into my sessions, which involve music, visualization, writing, and sometimes art. But don't worry, these are easy activities that anyone can do. My clients and I usually use hand drums like this, but you can tap out easy beats on your legs, your desk, or a book. You can start out with just say like 3 beats and add more from there. There you go. Saying positive affirmations or Bible verses can help you get in the zone. I'm losing my earbuds here. Hang on. You can use instrumental music and either tap out some beats, or you can journal or draw whatever words or images you might be receiving. If this isn't your thing, I have to ask you, is there something creative that you used to do that you're no longer doing? Is there a guitar or camera or art supplies in your closet? Take them out and start playing around with them. Your brain will shift from worrying and obsessing to a more positive state. All of these things help clear out the clutter, or what I call static in the attic. In fact, 93% of my private clients have experienced a breakthrough in 8 sessions or less. I have a few spots open if you want to find out more about how this works. Just give me a call or shoot me an email, Dory@nextstagedrumming.com. Hey, I'm Dory Staley. I turn worriers into warriors and help them activate their God-given purpose so they can rise up and rock. Till next time, keep on rocking, my friends. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.